Can you delete iMessages from both sides? Let's get started. Today, we're exploring whether you can delete iMessages from both sides. The answer is yes, under certain conditions. With iOS 16, Apple introduced the undo send feature, which allows you to delete a message from both your device and the recipient's. However, this only works if both users are on iOS 16 or later and within a 15-minute window after sending the message. To use this feature, open the Messages app, go to the conversation, press and hold the message, and tap Undo Send. The message will disappear from both devices, leaving a note saying, "You unsent a message." If the 15-minute window has passed, you can still delete the message from your side by pressing and holding it, then selecting Delete. However, it will remain visible on the recipient's device. Remember, this feature only works for iMessages, blue bubbles, and not SMS, green bubbles, and both devices need to support iOS 16 or later. Also, if the recipient has already seen the message, unsending won't erase it from their memory. So, while the undo send feature is a great addition, timing is everything. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching.